Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Widgetsoid widget app on Android. So you can see that on the top of this screen it has two rows, some 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 9 widgets in one big widget. You can move it around, of course. Oh, I don't know what happened. Do I have two of them? I didn't know. Yeah, they were somehow on top of each other. Okay. Yeah, that's strange. Okay, it happens. That's yeah, some kind of strange live view. I have to yeah, I have to find out what to do with that thing. But anyway, so the thing is, it's a really awesome app. It has a lot of functionality. Instead of installing 5 or 10 widgets, so you can basically install one, and yeah, you can select what options you wanna use. Like here we have the Wi-Fi selector, we have the Bluetooth on off, we have the brightness low or automatic, or we can activate the light. We see the storage available. We can switch between vibration, everything off, and normal sound. We can select all the different volumes, and we can lock the screen, and yeah, much more. So on the right top I have defined the settings and you can see what things you can add. You can here click on add toggle and you can pick from everything. So but some of these things may not work anymore, and I think that's the reason why they discontinued this app on the Google Play Store. It's not available anymore, and that's the reason for my video, because I make it available on my cloud. I will upload it to my cloud and provide the link down in the description, so you can download it from there, so you know that you are not downloading a virus, because I never upload a virus. I mean, at least not on purpose. Yeah. So yeah, if you're following my channel, you know that I'm really honest, and I would never, at least not on purpose, upload a virus or Trojan horse or whatever. Usually I double and triple check all my files which I provide here on my channel. Yeah, check with several virus scanners and so on, and here also my phone, I'm having my virus scanners and so on. So usually you should actually be pretty safe, but yeah, nobody can give you 100% security. But anyway, I just wanted to make sure that you still have access to this really nice app. It's an awesome thing. I still use that. Yeah, it's not on the Play Store anymore, and I don't know where you could download, maybe on doubtful third-party websites. So I have found this on one of my old phones, and I mean, not very old. I just switched a month ago, and there I found it, and so I extracted the APK and uploaded it to my cloud. So the thing here, you can, on the right top, you can select the order. Basically, that's important. And what's really important, you have an advanced settings with, you can activate 2 rows or just 1 row. And what's super important, actually the most important thing, if you install that, that's here, the modifiable, that's on the in the middle. So I hope you can see that I activated that, and that will provide in the right top, it's like a gear sign, and that will provide you the possibility to change the options later. Because if you don't activate this check mark, you will never be able to change this Widgetsoid widget, which you have already installed, there's no chance to modify it. You would have to, when you need some change, you would have to delete the old one and install everything from scratch. I mean, not install the app, but like install the widget and set up everything from scratch, which is a real pain. And after you have done all the changes, like here the set the modifiable, then you have to set apply, click on apply at the right bottom. That's also really important. Otherwise, yeah, if you just go back, it won't save your options and everything will be lost. So I have to find out what the second row is. Maybe I have installed two widgets. Probably I can just delete one. But anyway, yeah. If you like it, just download it from the link below. Yeah, there's I mean, it was a free app and I don't ask for anything, of course. So hope you still enjoy that. I mean, it's not top. Yeah, it's not maintained anymore. There are probably 2 or 3 functions which are not working. Usually there are things which Android blocks in every Android version. Google is blocking more and more functions, but there are still a lot of functions here available which are really fun and easy and useful. So it's a good thing. So yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.